Hi, I'm Charlie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here to make Facebook simple and easy because it is. We're here to demystify stuff and help you simplify everything so that you can get your time back and you can make more money and you can solve bigger problems. We're not here to tell you how to do all the fine, minute details inside of Facebook. Facebook Blueprint does that, and it's free, and you should go there absolutely before paying any guru or any course for anything else. What we're here to do is help you get with the thinking. We're going to go over tips, tricks, tactics, and ethos questions that have helped me drive businesses in D2C, CPG, e-com, subscription service, and SaaS over 9 figures in USD revenue generated over nearly a decade. I have spent an ungodly amount of money in all sorts of places for all sorts of different people. I'm one of Facebook's top 100 advertisers in the United States, and I've got best practices and articles and all sorts of fun things written left, right, and center. Every week we're going to be coming to you with a new live video. We're going to be breaking those down by lessons as well. There'll be shorts to kind of help you out with things. There's going to be small pieces and big pieces, and I'm here to answer all of your questions. Please throw as much as you can into the comments, and I will get back to all of them fucking personally as fast as possible. I really hope you enjoy this thing. This is something that I love to do, and I'm super excited and thankful that you've taken the time to at least come to this little space on the internet, and hopefully it can help you out. I will not try to steer you clear. Everything that I'll tell you how to do is something that I've done with plenty of other folks, and I will not make any guarantees other than I won't guarantee you anything or make any promises, and I will not tell you there's the golden rule for anything because that's absolute bullshit. I'm here to bust gurus and help people out. So, thank you very much for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, check out other things, share this with your friends. Thank you very much. I'm Charlie. See you on the internet.